It's 4:30 in the morning. Why is the sun coming up? So yesterday, it was about, I would say, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and my pool pump went on, and that's like normal. It goes on sporadically during the day. And I'm sitting on my porch, and I see this big gush of water pouring out onto my patio, the pool deck. And I'm like, oh my God, what in earth? Well, this is called neglect, and it's our fault. This around the pool was very overgrown, way more overgrown than I ever should have let it. And we got this type of grass that's really invasive. So I cut it back at the beginning of the season, and then it's been about 3 weeks, and it overgrew. It was lush, big, green. So I knew I had a small leak, nothing coming out anywhere. Well, yesterday, when the pool pump went on, apparently the roots got into the pipe, and I ended up having to dig out. This was a complete disaster. Now, I'm going to give you a close up of what is going on here. See this? Looks like dirt. It's like concrete mixed with a giant, a huge root ball from the grass. This is all that I dug out over here. But here we don't have dirt. We don't have soil. We have sand mixed with more sand. Well, my hands are so raw, you have no idea, and I still can't get it all out. Today, the root ball ends like right there. Right there. So I have to get that big thing out today. My father is going to drill it out. Hopefully that'll work if we use some power tools on it. I was doing everything I could to get it out. So my hands, let me tell you, they were basically in concrete the entire day. I can't get the concrete off of my hands. I showered. I washed my hands like 20 times. Nothing is getting this off. It's embedded in my skin. It's horrible. Needless to say, I didn't finish any coloring videos yesterday. My hands are so raw. Get in my rocking chair. It's 5:30. So I decided to do a vlog. The people in the group know this, but I haven't made an announcement yet. The private group where I'm doing the lessons, we moved over to Facebook. It made more sense. I just had to learn how to do it. And wonderful Dina Muller, she's been a godsend to me. She's the moderator over there, and while I was busy trying to get the root ball out yesterday, she was uploading. She has been taking notes on my videos probably since day one. She had notes, like all my tips, my color combinations, and everything. She had them perfectly organized like a professional. And she uploaded her notes into the Facebook group, which was like amazing. I totally appreciate her. I had no idea, and she was just wonderful about it. And when I first saw them, I was like, where on earth did these come from? Those are my color combinations. And I was like, well, what is this? She's like, it's your notes. I was like, oh my God. I didn't even know I did that much. But she is running that group fantastic, and I just completely appreciate her. So we got the private groups moved over, at least like half of them. Some people might not know yet that we're over there. I'm going to leave the link in the description. Um, you'll be able to find the files and everything in there so much easier than what I was doing. Technology, what can I tell you? I'm not the best. So, my other good news is that Alena Lazareva, my coloring goddess, has is going to collab with me, and she's going to put in her Etsy shop sketches that I'm gonna do. Now we've been going back and forth in email about exactly what I want, how I want it. She's been terrific. She's done every sketch is great that she's done. They're extremely simple. I don't remember if you guys remember the eyes that I did when I taught how to do irises. Well, she was the one who did those pictures that I colored with everybody, and they're practice pictures. Well, she's going to do them for all the requests that I'm getting for different things. So, the most popular thing so far that everybody has requested is me to do glass. We've got um, a lot of glass going in there, several different types, and I'm going to be able to teach you everything from frosted glass to shiny glass and everything in between. So that's in the works. I think the sketches will probably be done by this week, right when I'm about to upload the first glass tutorial. And so this is going to really help because we did, I gave out the sketches in the private room, the private group room, and everybody was like, it's too light, it's too dark, it's that, you name it. I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to like PDFs. I think I haven't done a coloring book. I'm clueless and don't feel like learning it. So Alena is the queen uh, of grayscale. So she knows what she's doing, and she's going to offer the sets in different colors. And they're going to be dirt cheap. I mean, I'm talking like under $2 for the set. And the sets will be several art lessons worth of, um, pictures. So it's amazing. She's fantastic. And that's that. So, so by the end of the week, I would say we were going to be completely flowing and into everything. So many people did the oranges. They're starting to go up on the group. You guys did a fantastic job. And the next one is glass by popular demand. So at the beginning of last week, after Angel had her eggs, she was acting like such a good mom, really taking care of them, and it was really sad when they got, they weren't fertile, they weren't good. So we went out and we got her a mate. And I think it was love at first sight because we put him in the tank and she went crazy for him. It wasn't even 5 minutes, and she was doing the love dance and the mating ritual that they do, which was really cool to watch. And yesterday, we woke up to new eggs, and they stayed clear the entire day. The last group turned white, which means they're no good. So they're still clear. I haven't checked them this morning because they're in my father's room and he's asleep. But as of last night, they were about 24 hours old, and every one of them was clear. So it's really fun to watch her be a mom, and he's acting like a dad, and they're protecting those eggs and cleaning them. Both of them are cleaning them, and it's really cool to watch.